A modern vehicle is a rolling labyrinth of roughly 30,000 individual components. Every sensor, valve, and belt has to work in perfect synchronization just to get you out of the driveway. When one of those pieces fails, fixing it presents a massive mathematical problem. To guarantee a same-day repair for any make and model that rolls through the bay, a mechanic would theoretically need instant access to every single alternator, radiator, and brake pad ever manufactured. This diagram shows a top-down comparison of storage footprints. Storing that kind of universal inventory requires a sprawling fulfillment center. But the average local auto garage operates out of a highly constrained square footage, with barely enough room for a few hydraulic lifts. This creates a physical bottleneck. If your neighborhood mechanic literally doesn't have the space to hoard thousands of replacement parts, how do they manage to repair a highly specific vehicle failure in a matter of hours without buckling under the cost? The answer is that local shops don't survive by playing the inventory game. They survive by tapping into an invisible, high-speed ecosystem operating quietly behind the scenes of your town. At the top of this ecosystem are the massive, brand-contracted regional auto centers. These are the operations that possess the sprawling acreage and deep pockets required to hold all that physical steel and plastic. Their operational mandate is simple but heavy. They're tasked with guaranteeing the supply of original equipment parts for an entire geographical area. This map illustrates how they function as central distribution hubs. These facilities serve their own in-house repair bays while physically pushing parts out to the surrounding network of smaller, independent mechanics. By willingly absorbing the enormous financial and physical burden of stockpiling parts, these major centers provide the structural foundation that allows smaller competitors to exist. Meanwhile, the local independent workshop operates on a completely different strategy. Instead of hoarding, they run incredibly lean. If you look at their small storage shelves, you will only find items that are mathematically guaranteed to sell. We're talking about high-wear consumables like fresh oil filters, new wiper blades, and standard brake pads. This flowchart maps hyper-fast supply chains. Once ordered, components arrive from regional hubs within hours. Because delivery is highly reliable, shops tightly schedule maintenance based on expected parts availability, avoiding inventory hoarding. Efficiency peaks during active repairs. Mechanics order and receive replacements while the car remains elevated on the hydraulic lift, eliminating dead time. Modern logistics have effectively outsourced the independent mechanic storage room to the local highway network. But maintaining a lean inventory and running an efficient bay is mostly about survival. The harsh economic reality is that standard maintenance and logistics yield incredibly tight profit margins. To actually stay in the black, both local garages and massive regional centers rely on a hidden profit engine. They sell accessories. We are talking about high-end hi-fi audio components, advanced navigation systems, custom wheel rims, and performance tuning parts. This bar chart compares those revenue streams. On the left is the slim margin of a standard mechanical fix, but on the right, selling a major upgrade captures the retail markup on the expensive part and adds highly profitable billable hours for installation. These luxury add-ons perform heavy financial lifting. They provide the reliable, high-margin revenue that secretly subsidizes the shop's ability to perform everyday mechanical repairs. The massive contracted auto centers understand this math perfectly. If you walk into one of their facilities, you'll immediately notice pristine, gallery-like displays of custom wheels and roof racks. For the big hubs, the economic appeal is straightforward. These physical upgrades yield consistently high returns while costing very little to display and store. They deliberately place these attractive exhibitions right next to the customer waiting areas. While drivers sit for an hour waiting for a routine oil change, they are actively surrounded by highly appealing upgrades. It reveals the dual nature of the modern auto industry. It functions as a rapid response mechanical emergency room while simultaneously running a high-end retail boutique. The sprawling supply chains and hyper-fast logistics make sure your vehicle runs. The entire ecosystem stays in business because they are just as good at selling us the shiny upgrades we want as they are at fixing the broken parts we need.